Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2016 Pete factory-built glider kit, pride and class. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 18 speed, 810,000 original miles, and less than 1,000 miles on fresh engine overhaul. Got it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Frame's clean, engine's clean. Robot looks good. Got a small scratch right there on the bottom part of the bumper. That's about all I really see, body and paint wise. All the rest of it seems pretty immaculate. Fenders are in great shape. This one I did notice earlier, it's got a dent on the underneath side of the fuel tank. You can't see it, it's not leaking. But if you crouch down, you can see that. Spot on the exhaust there, nothing abnormal for a 16. Back of the cab looks great. Frame rails again back here look great as well. Excellent match virgin rubber, air slide fifth wheel. All aluminum wheels. Brakes look great as well. Spot on this side of the exhaust tube. Seems like it warms up on the clamp there on this these straight stacks. Platinum interior. Interior's nice and clean. See, it's at operating temp. Great low side oil pressure. And it climbs exactly like you'd expect it to. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.